Okay, hello year 6, how are you? Okay, so yesterday, you have learned how to calculate percentage of a quantity or amount, and also how to calculate percentage increase. So when we say percentage increase, or you are going to read the word increase in the problem, or went up, goes up, a more, added. So you're going to add the percentage amount to the original amount, isn't it? Now this time, what do you think is percentage decrease? Okay, but first thing you should know, you have to know our learning objective. You need to know how to calculate the percentage decrease of a number or amount. And the most important is you should know how to apply this knowledge, percentage decrease, in creating or also solving word problems related to real life situation. Like what we have done in the class, you are creating your problem and your classmates are answering your own problem solving. Okay? So, what is percentage decrease? Percentage decrease is when you make a number smaller by taking away or a given percentage of it. So it's not only when you are going to read the word decrease, is you're going to subtract. Also, if you will read the word on sale of, goes down, went down, fall, you know, the price fall. So also taking away. So this will be the same as, or discount. I forgot about the discount. So if you will read the word, all this one, when you are reading a problem solving, that means to say you are going to subtract the amount of the percentage, okay, to the original, to the original amount, to the original amount, okay? So it will become like, for example, there is on sale in the mall or the supermarket, people will go there because there's a big sale. There will be 75% off, 20% off, 30% off, 35%, and so on. So why they are always going there? Because the sale, the amount, the original price is cheaper, okay? For few amount, okay? Now, let's continue. So we often see percentage decrease in real life in terms of items in a sale or using a discount card. Okay. What do we do? The same thing as what we have done in the percentage decrease. Only what is the difference? We are going to take away or subtract. Okay? The percentage from the original number. Okay, now. Let's have an example. Decrease 50 by 20%. So the same thing, how we are calculating the percentage amount, you have to calculate first the procedure, how we calculate the percentage of an amount or a quantity before you are going to subtract to the original number. So like, for example, let's write, so first thing you have to take the 20% and remember it's decreased. And then once we calculated the 20% of 50, then you are going to subtract the amount. So let's do now 20 over 100 times 50. Okay, equals. So 2 times 5 is 10. How many zeros? 1, 2. So we will add 2 zeros divided by 100. So how many zeros do we have here? 1 and 2 Therefore, we will cut also 1 and 2. What is left now? 10. 10 divided by 1 is 10. So, what is the next thing we are going to do? We are going to take away the amount from the original number, which is 50. So since it's decreased, so we need to subtract 50 minus 10 is 40. Do you think our original number decreased? Yes, it became 40 instead of 50. Don't forget, don't use 20% to subtract 10. Okay, no, it should be the amount, the number, not the percentage. Keep that in your mind. Okay? Let's move to another example. And this is, of course, the other method. 20 over 100, so 50 divided by 100 is 0.5. And 0.5 times 20 is 10. Okay? So it's up to you which method you want to use. As always, it's telling you. So 50 minus 10 is equals 40. So 50 decreased by 20% is 40. Okay? Another example. There is a pair of trainers sale in city center. Originally, the trainer was 60 BD. So this is our original number. They have 30% off. So when you read the word off, what do? We are going to subtract. But the first step we are going to do is we have to calculate 30% of 60. Okay? So how much do I pay for them? Meaning, what is the new price? So let's write now 30% first. 30 over 100 times 60 dinars. Okay? So now we can multiply. 3 times 6 is 18. We have two zeros, 1 and 2. Okay, so 1, 2 divided by 100. So 1, 2, 1, 2. So the answer is 18 BD. So meaning 60 dinars decreased by 18 BD. So let's check now how much I am going to pay. What is the new price? So 60 BD minus 18 BD. What will be the answer? It will be, this will be 2 and 4. So 42 dinars. So it's cheaper, correct? So this is how we do percentage decrease. Okay. Now, I want you to open your textbook in page 99. In page 99, you will see these questions. So we will find how much the discount. Okay? Work out question 1, page 99. Okay? Page 99. You can check your textbook. Work out the sale price of each of these items. So what is 10%? See, like, can you see that one? It's 10% off. What is 10% of $59? So the same thing, you're going to write 10 over 100 times $59. Okay, we have done already dinars a while ago. Now let's use this also. So that will be 59 times 10 is 59,590 divided by 100. So let's cancel 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay, so the discount now is $5.9. What is the next thing you have to do? You're going to do subtract 59 minus 5.9. Right? So that will be 1.35. So the new price will be 53.1. Okay, so the answer is, after the 10% off, it became 53.1. Okay, now let's do another and you can do the rest. Okay, let's do question letter B. It says 25% less. So what is less? Of course, subtract. So 25%, 25 over 100. This is now, we are doing now letter B. Times 40. Okay, 25 times 4 is 100. So we have one more zero, 100. So cancel and cancel. So it will be, the answer is $10. So 40 minus 10 is 30. So the new price for this one now is $30. So what I want you to do now, you're going to solve for letter C, D, E, F, G. Okay? So I hope you understand how to calculate percentage decrease. I'm just going to solve for letter C, but I want to do it. Okay, so let's do. So the answer here is $53.1. This is $30. So last one, and then you will do the rest. Okay, so this one is save 15%. Okay, because of the discount, you will save 15%. So we are going to do 15%, which is 15 over 100 times $225. So you will multiply again 15 times 225. You will multiply it. So it will be 3,375 over 100. Okay, so 1, 2. Since we don't have decimal, so we will move our decimal there. We don't have zero, I mean. So it will be 33.75. So we will take this one, $225. 225 minus 33.75, which is, let's see, so if you could see, the original amount was 225. The new price now is $191.25. Okay, so this is how we are going to solve for the discount or sale or off or less. So you're going to calculate first the amount, and then once you found the amount, you're going to subtract, because it's decreased or discount or off, from the original amount minus the quantity that you have found. Okay, so that is how to find the percentage decrease. I hope you know how to do it. You can practice, you can finish letter D, letter E, letter F, and letter G. And you can submit to Miss Maricel. Okay, year 6. So thank you for listening. You can watch my videos many times so that you will practice and master how to calculate percentage increase and percentage decrease. So bye for now, year 6. I hope you work hard every day.